Hello friends, this is Prateek Vyas from iQOO Mobiles and today I have iQOO 7 with me. As you can see, the phone looks really stunning, and on this side, on the right spine, you get power button and volume rocker. This side, it's neat and clean. Up top you can see a line and secondary microphone, and this side, SIM tray, USB Type-C and speaker grill. At the back, you get this matte finish and iQOO branding and also the camera module. So on the front you get 6.62 inch Amoled screen which has 120Hz of screen refresh rate. That means in all the lighting conditions you will get good results and you will not face any problem. Now let's talk about the performance. So this phone has Snapdragon 870 processor, and for multitasking you get 8GB or 12GB of RAM and 128 and 256GB of storage. So as you can see, the overall performance is really smooth, and gaming you will definitely enjoy with this phone. Also for the battery, you have 4400 mAh of battery which supports 66 watts of fast charging. Now coming to the camera, the triple camera setup is 48, 13 and 2. The 13 is wide angle and macro. The 2 megapixel is the mono lens. Also on the front you get 16 megapixel front camera, and the overall camera quality from both the cameras, it's really good. Also for the software you get Android 11 with FunTouch OS. So that's it for the iQOO 7. Thanks for watching.